Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to change the name of your YouTube channel. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. I have two options to change your YouTube channel name. The first is by using YouTube app, and the second option is by using browser. Okay, I'm going to show you for the first by using YouTube app. Just open your YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, you can see on the top right corner that is your profile picture, and then you can just tap this. And then you can see there is an option, your channel. Just tap this. After opening your YouTube channel, you can see there are some options, manage videos, a graphic icon, and also a pencil icon. Just choose the pencil icon. This is a channel settings. Here you can change your channel name, channel description, channel profile picture, and also your YouTube banner. To change your channel name, just tap pencil icon on the right of your channel name. Here you can change your name. Thanks to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. After editing your channel name here, you can just tap the checklist on the top right corner, and then your channel name will be changed. It is the first option by using YouTube app. Okay, for the second, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name by using browser. The second option will be useful for you who don't have any YouTube app. You can use any browser like Safari, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera. Here I use iPhone, so I will use Safari. But don't worry, this tutorial works on iPhone and also Android. Okay, just open your browser. After opening your browser, you can just tap on the search bar, and then you can type studio.youtube.com. Then just tap OK, go. Just choose continue to studio, then choose get the app. Then open YouTube Studio by using YouTube Studio app. Okay, just press continue to studio. After opening your YouTube Studio, you can see there at the top right corner, there is your profile picture. Make sure that you have logged into the channel you want to change the name. After that, you can choose customization. Here, channel customization. In this channel customization, there are some options, layout, branding, and also basic info. To change your channel name, you can just tap basic info. You can see there channel name and description. Just tap pencil icon on the right of your channel name, and then edit your channel name. After editing your channel name, you can just press publish here on the top right corner. After that, your YouTube channel name will be changed. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in changing your YouTube channel name. If you like this video, don't forget to give likes and also subscribe to Fauhow channel, and make sure that you have turned on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.